Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change your button layout on your controller for Battlefield 6. Whether you need a lefty setup or a full custom control scheme, I will show you exactly how to do it. So first, we need to navigate to the correct menu. From the main screen, simply head over to the Settings menu, right over here on the left-hand side. Simply scroll down until you see the option for Controller. Click on that. Over here, you can tab through different options to view controllers for vehicles and inventory, but you can't change them just yet. Now, to actually make changes, you need to enter the Edit mode. Look for the prompt on the right-hand side of the screen that says Edit Settings. Click on that. Now over here, you can select the specific category you want to change, such as infantry or ground vehicles. Remember, each area has its own independent setting, and you can see them right over here. So to use a simple preset, you can use these arrow options to switch preferences, like lefty, lefty alternate, or custom. It's totally up to you. And then you can directly press the back option or the arrow option at the top to see the changes that have been made on the controller itself. Now you can also do custom mapping. So if you want total control, just simply scroll down to the specific control mapping, like for example, ground vehicles. Over here, you'll see an option for controller settings. Just click on the Edit option, and over here, you will see a lot of settings that you can modify. And for specific key settings, you simply go back and choose the Edit option for controller mapping, right over here, and then you can adjust every single keybind as you can see right over here. And you can do this for both ground vehicle, infantry, transport vehicle, aircraft, helicopter, and all others, which you can see right over here. So that's it. Now you know how to switch presets or fully customize your controller layout. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.